Okay, now start shut this water line off that way. Start the process here. Let's get a bucket or something and catch this water. All right, I'm gonna cut this off right in here somewhere because I got that. Oh, come on, what the hell? And this one over here. Okay. That's not too straight there, is it? I guess it don't matter too much. Go, no go. Put that on there. Put that on there. Crimping tool. Hi, Burble. Go and no go. It's a go. And damn, I wish I would have done that the right way. Now I gotta use a extra piece there. All right, we'll crimp that one. Like I say, you need to be a little bit behind that, just like 1/8 of it, 1/16 of an inch or something like that. Always check your no and go, no go tool for good connection. Okay, so this side's cold, that side's hot, so we're going to run a hot line. Am I out of the... I ran out of that, so I need my hose. So I gotta use a shorter line here and then go up because I screwed up and cut this one too short. So there. Okay. Got lucky there, I think. I'm a lucky, lucky man. Okay, that's good. This has got to go on this side. Now I got to make a turn there. I got to make a turn at Albuquerque. And turn here like this. Yeah. Well, isn't that special? Because I gotta have to come down this way too and then go that way. So I gotta go. I wish I wouldn't have done that.
What?
Made this mistake cutting this one too short.
Well, why didn't you just do what I said? It's okay, just do what you're doing. You're gonna have a...
I'm gonna redo this because these lines are too close together. I'm gonna cut this line and cut these few rings out and redo this. So that's what I'm doing right now. Cut that line.
It'll go now.
It'll go easier if I do this. That's good. Don't hook it up yet.
Yes, sir.
Fixed. Fixed. Like right here. Of this stuff. I'm not going to be doing. It's like a ketchup bottle. None'll come and then a lot'll. Hard on the knees. Oh. Get up there. Son of a bitch.
No. Check the first one.
Okay. Now, plumber's tape. Get that stuff done. Crescent wrench. All right, Burville? That's what we're gonna do, huh, Burv? Get this stuff done. Tired of looking at it. Tired and sleepy, boys. Tired and sleepy. I don't know if this crescent wrench is big enough to go do that. Just barely. Just snug. That's good enough. Okay, now might as well put that valve up there. Go ahead and use this. Go ahead and put that on there. On this. This one is for the rain shower. This one for the rain shower. Oh, do 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 do. Do 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 do. This one's for the rain shower. I'll put it in my back pocket.
Shower head now. Now.
I have to hook this stuff up. We're not going to be able to use any water. I'm going to have that valve working.
Well, you don't have to have it. Oh,
I don't know how to plug it up otherwise.
what's your problem?
I don't have one.
Scratched. No, it is.
Okay. Do that one. See, ladies and germs, anybody can do this stuff. And save a lot of money too, I'd say.
Let's just do it.
Okay. Hi, Burrow. How'd you get to be so beautiful? Hmm? You're a lucky animal. That's how. Didn't mean to drop that other thing. Okay. Now let's put some screws to it. They didn't know what was going on. They didn't know. They did after the first one. Board. But I need to put that valve in there. See, here's the valve.
Never thought too hard about it. Always came naturally to me. Never put a foot out of line, and I tried not to make any awkward statements. Always tried to be a good neighbor, waiting for the right time to speak. Now it seems the tables are smashed into tiny little pieces. I only wanted a slice of the pie. And all my time in this town, never thought I'd see the day you and I would come to blows. Think I'm gonna keep it that way. We don't have to think the same way to celebrate and dance until the dawn. It's always been a puzzle, I guess. So let's break a little bread and remember what I said. Come on. In all my time in this town, never thought I'd see the day you and I would come to blows. Think I'm gonna keep it that way. Never thought too hard about it. Always came naturally to me. Never put a foot out of line, and I tried not to make any awkward statements. Always tried to be a good neighbor, waiting for the right time to speak. Now it seems the tables are smashed into tiny little